Hi everyone! Welcome back to the CaseGuard Studio Training Course. In today's video, we will cover what's new in CaseGuard 9.2. We have added 2 additional themes to CaseGuard Studio. We now have dark, light, and metallic blue. To begin, let's create a project. I'm going to call my project CaseGuard 9.2. If you click the More Information tab, you have the option to input name of requester, case number, and date of request. We also added an option to add redaction reasons on a project level. You can now select multiple redaction reasons for your project, as well as the objects you redact. We'll cover that in a bit more detail later. I'm going to begin by adding a video file to my project. The left toolbar went through a redesign. Now, it updates based on the file type you're working on. The functions are clearly labeled to help users locate exactly what they're looking for. You can also collapse or dock the toolbar to allow more space for your file. We brought back the popular object tracking feature, this time with an advanced AI to search for any object on the screen. We also added the ability to select multiple redaction reasons. Simply select the reasons and they will appear. To initiate object tracking, simply draw a box and click Play to track. Once the object is no longer detected, the video will stop playing. Just like it did here. Since we added multiple redaction reasons to this object, let me show you what the exemption log looks like. Here, we can see one object and 2 redaction reasons. A major change we made in this release is the enhancement of our video detection model. It is now smarter and faster than ever before. Let me run AI detection and show you. Before we click Apply, you might notice that the default confidence has increased from 20% to 30%. This is because we've enhanced the recognition features significantly. This new model will yield more accurate results, reduce the need for cleanup, and speed up the redaction process. Next, let's move on to document redaction. We have added the ability to import multiple PST files at once. You can see that they're sorted by the PST file. Additionally, I can use the search features such as attachment, subject, folder, file, and date to sort the emails that I want to attach. I'm going to select everything and click Next. We have added the ability to split imported emails by document size, individual sender, individual PST files, and more. You can also sort your email by sender or date, and you can select ascending or descending. Click Import. Now that our 2 files have loaded, you can see the change in the left toolbar, as well as the page number at the top of the screen. Of course, you can adjust privileges, which will be reflected in the privilege log. To adjust the privileges, simply click on the button and select the reasons you'd like associated with this file. Let's add some redactions to our file. You can now add words into your Find and Redact list directly from the document file. Simply highlight the word, right-click, and add it to your list of choice. You can also add this to your block list. I'm going to add a bit more information into my lists. We have added the ability to run multiple lists on your document files. Click on the List Analysis in the left toolbar and select the lists that you would like to run on your file. Click Analyze. And let's open up our Analytics panel. Now, I can redact everything from my list by clicking the paintbrush icon at the top of my Analytics panel. Before I export this file, I want to mention that we added the ability to print the redaction tag onto the exported document. To activate this feature, click on Tools, Settings, and Document, and check the Show Redaction Tag Number box. Now, we're ready to export. We can see the tag number and the redaction reason code that we selected burned into our redacted file. Now, if we go back to the original, we can take a look at our exemption log. This exemption log will include the redaction tag number, the page number, and your redaction reasons. Of course, this includes all of the information that we added when we first created our project. Now, let's click on the drop-down menu and select Privilege Log. The privilege log reflects all of the files that we have in this project, and we can see it named as such. For example, Angle 2, these are the redaction reasons, Musicians on the Street, as well as our backup document. And we can differentiate the type by V for video and D for document. As always, you can print or export any of your CaseGuard reports. We've also added the ability to run the lists that we just ran on our document files on our transcribed files. I'm going to add in an audio file, transcribe it, and then run my list on it. Just like with our document file, to run the list on our transcription, we'll go over to the left-hand toolbar and select List Analysis and use Existing List. From here, I'm going to select the two lists that I want to run on my transcription and click Analyze. Now, if I click on my Analytics tab, we can see all of the information that the system found as well as ran on my list. I can simply click Bleep All Search Results at the top of my Analytics panel and all 25 analytics applied. And I can easily export this file. Here's what it sounds like.
What is your emergency?
I don't have an emergency. I just want to report a theft.
Okay, may I have your name, sir?
Yeah, my name is...
The last new feature that I will cover today is the ability to search and sort in your project files panel. You can sort by name, date, type, or size, as well as ascending or descending. For example, mine is sorted by name and ascending. You can also use the search to type exactly what you want to see. And now I just have the two files named backup. While I could not cover all of the changes we have made, I hope you enjoyed the quick overview of what's available in CaseGuard 9.2. See you next time!